Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The BrewMOO cold brew coffee maker represents a specific approach to home beverage preparation that prioritizes both high volume and a distinct visual aesthetic. At its core, this is a 68-ounce or 2-liter immersion brewing system designed to simplify the process of making cold brew coffee in large batches. Cold brewing is a method that relies on time rather than heat to extract flavor from coffee grounds, and this device is built to facilitate that long extraction process within a refrigerator environment. By using a 2-liter capacity, the unit addresses a common pain point for frequent coffee drinkers who find that smaller 1-liter carafes require too much frequent refilling. This larger size allows for the creation of enough coffee concentrate to last an individual several days or to serve a large group of people during a single sitting. The build and design of the pitcher are centered around the use of borosilicate glass. This material is frequently chosen for high-quality kitchenware because of its durability and its resistance to thermal shock. While cold brewing specifically avoids hot water, the use of borosilicate ensures that the glass can handle various temperature shifts without the risk of cracking. The most noticeable design element is the wave pattern molded into the exterior of the glass. This is not merely a decorative choice but also provides a tactile surface that can make the pitcher easier to grip. The pitcher is paired with a long, cylindrical filter made from fine mesh stainless steel. This filter is designed to sit deep within the carafe, ensuring that the coffee grounds remain in constant contact with the water even as the level drops. The lid is engineered to create an airtight seal, which is a functional necessity for cold brew. Since the brewing process takes anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, the coffee is sitting in the refrigerator for an extended period. An airtight seal prevents the coffee from absorbing the scents or flavors of other food items stored nearby, preserving the intended profile of the beans. When examining how the BrewMOO performs, it is important to consider the mechanics of immersion brewing. The user fills the stainless steel filter with coarsely ground coffee and then slowly pours water over the grounds until the pitcher is full. Because the mesh is fine, it allows the water to saturate the grounds while preventing the larger particles from escaping into the main body of the pitcher. The result is a clean extraction that highlights the sweetness and low acidity characteristic of cold brew. The handle is designed with a comfort grip in mind, which becomes particularly important when the pitcher is at its full 2-liter capacity. A full pitcher of this size carries a significant amount of weight, and the ergonomics of the handle are meant to provide a secure and balanced feel during pouring. The spout is wide and shaped to encourage a consistent flow, reducing the likelihood of drips or spills when transferring the coffee into a glass. The utility of this product extends beyond just making coffee. Because the filter is removable and the pitcher is made of high-quality glass, it can also be used for brewing large batches of loose leaf tea or for making infused waters with fruit and herbs. The stainless steel filter is durable enough to be washed and reused indefinitely, which eliminates the need for disposable paper filters. This contributes to a more sustainable brewing process and also changes the flavor profile slightly, as metal filters allow more of the natural coffee oils to pass through compared to paper, which often results in a richer mouthfeel. This coffee maker is best suited for a specific type of consumer. It appeals largely to those who have moved past single-serve brewing and want a more efficient way to manage their weekly coffee consumption. For a household with multiple coffee drinkers, a 68-ounce capacity is a practical choice that reduces the labor involved in daily preparation. It is also an appropriate choice for individuals who value the visual presentation of their kitchen tools. The combination of the wave glass and the stainless steel accents gives it a more sophisticated appearance than standard plastic or plain glass brewers, making it suitable for serving guests directly from the container. Furthermore, at a price point of approximately $40, it sits in a middle ground where it is more substantial than entry-level plastic models but remains accessible for those looking for a functional gift or a reliable upgrade to their current setup. In terms of maintenance, the simplicity of the manual design is a benefit. There are no electronic components to fail and no complicated mechanisms to disassemble. The wide mouth of the pitcher allows for easy cleaning, and the stainless steel filter can be rinsed out quickly after each use. However, because the primary material is glass, it does require a level of care that plastic alternatives do not. While borosilicate is strong, it is still susceptible to breakage if dropped or handled roughly against hard surfaces like granite countertops. A balanced perspective on the BrewMOO suggests that its primary value lies in its capacity and its material quality. For roughly $40, a user receives a large, durable vessel that performs the specific task of immersion brewing without unnecessary complexity. While the large footprint of a 2-liter pitcher might be a drawback for those with very limited refrigerator space, the trade-off is the convenience of having a large supply of coffee ready at any time. It is a straightforward tool that relies on the natural science of cold extraction to deliver a consistent result. The design choices, from the airtight lid to the ergonomic handle, are all directed toward making a slow and patient brewing process as effortless as possible for the end user. Ultimately, it serves as a reliable option for anyone looking to incorporate large-scale cold brewing into their daily routine while maintaining a certain level of aesthetic standards in their kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.